Hello everybody, it's Doc from OnTheMoneyOptions.com. Last week we talked about how we used the automatic protection system on Northrup Grumman. Friday was the expiration of the July option cycle. Northrup Grumman failed to close above our protected put, and we allowed the put to auto-exercise on option expiration. We also said that we like NOC as a long-term hold and we would like to keep the stock. So I'll show you how we're going to continue to participate in the stock even though we've been put out of the position. So let's review what happened to our position. We purchased the stock for $242.70 per share. During each option cycle, we sold a covered call and used a portion of those funds to buy a protective put. In effect, we are buying insurance to protect the position. During a period when the stock rose rapidly, we rolled the covered call up in price and out in time and did so with a credit. This is called a credit roll. At this last cycle, we had a covered call at the January 2020 $350 strike. This call was sold for $46.96. Friday, anticipating the stock may be put, I closed the covered call for $25.80. This resulted in a profit of $21.16 per share on the covered call. The protective put at $325 per share was protecting a profit of $82.30 per share. Combined, we have a profit of $103.46 per share. If you subtract the cost of the protective put, $7.77 per share, we have a net profit of $95.69, and that ties back into the profit you see there on the screen. In effect, we sold the stock for $338.39, which is $95.69 above our entry price of $242.70. We've used the concept of insurance to protect our position. The very definition of insurance is the exchange of a certain amount, a premium, to offset an uncertain risk. The put option was essentially an insurance policy that we bought to protect our profit. Now we're going to use that same concept of insurance to participate in the stock going forward. But we're going to flip this around. We're going to become the insurance company. Let me explain. There are people in Northrop Grumman right now that want to protect themselves from a further move down. They will be buying put protection. We're going to sell it to them. Looking at the chart of NOC, you can see the Fibonacci lines drawn in our last video. These lines represent support and resistance for the stock going forward. You see that NOC touched the 50% retrace and has touched it twice. The more touches you have at a price level, the more support or resistance at that level becomes. The $303 per share level with 2 touches is a good support level. Now, I was not interested in letting our profit go down further, but I'd be happy to buy the stock back near the $303 level. Basically, I'm saying I have $338 per share of cash now, and I'm willing to buy the stock back at $303. We can now sell a put and get paid to wait for the stock to come down to our price. This is how we do it. We sell the August 305 put on Northrop Grumman and we get paid $2.05 per share to be obligated to buy the stock at $305 until the August expiration. If we buy the stock at $305 and we've already been paid $2.05 per share, our effective entry price is $302.95. Using insurance terminology, we have received a premium of $2.05, which is 0.6% of the purchase price, for an obligation that lasts 26 days. We're generating return on the investment and we don't even own the stock. If Northrop Grumman is not below $305 per share on August 17th, the expiration in 26 days, our obligation expires. Then we can decide what to do next. We can continue to do this as long as we are willing to purchase the stock below its current price. So it is possible to do this for several months, collecting monthly premiums while the stock cycles down. Thinking of options as insurance, we can be the policy holder or the policy writer. So until next time, this is Doc saying trade safely and stay insured. See you later.